Welcome to What's Cooking with Rolling Harvest Food Rescue. This is Edie. It's soup season, and today we're going to combine the world's most popular vegetable, which is cabbage, with the most popular vegetable in the United States, which is potato, into a warm, satisfying comfort food called cabbage, potato, and white bean soup. You will notice some French cooking terms. Please forgive my rusty pronunciations. This recipe comes together quickly, so I recommend we embrace the French term mise en place, or put in place. The concept is gather and prepare all ingredients and tools needed for cooking before you start. Mise en place helps you stay focused and organized once the stovetop is on. Some clarification on ingredients. This recipe calls for 1 tablespoon herbes de Provence, a unique combination of some 11 spices including lavender from the Provence region of France. No worries if you don't have it. We didn't. So we substituted 1 teaspoon each, dried thyme, rosemary, and oregano. This recipe also calls for 1/2 head of cabbage sliced thin. You may use either standard green cabbage or savoy cabbage. Savoy is round with netted, wrinkly green leaves. Both are delicious in soup. Once you finish with mise en place, let's get cooking. In a large stock pot, heat 1 tablespoon oil over medium-low heat. Add 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, and 2 stalks of celery, all diced. Sauté these gently for 10 minutes until soft and fragrant, but not brown. This combination of onions, carrots, and celery is called Mirepoix in France and provides a simple but essential flavor base for many dishes. Other cuisines have their own version of Mirepoix. In Cajun cooking, there's the Holy Trinity. In Spanish cooking, there's sofrito, and so on. Next, add 3 minced garlic cloves and the dried spices. Sauté for 1 minute until fragrant. Then add all remaining ingredients, which includes 1 can diced tomatoes with liquid, 7 cups vegetable broth, low sodium if possible, 2 medium red skin potatoes, diced, the cabbage, 2 cans of white beans drained and rinsed, and 2 cups chopped hearty greens. The greens are purely optional. Bring everything to a boil, cover, reduce heat to low, and simmer for just about 30 minutes until the potatoes and cabbage are tender. Add salt and pepper if needed. C'est magnifique! We would like to thank our volunteer guest chefs for today, Karen and Bridget. We appreciate their great humor and energy in the kitchen. This is Edie, signing off. Au revoir.
Thank you for joining my colleagues Jill Kelly, Edie Kwasnowski, and me, Vicki Sarnoff, for this episode of What's Cooking. For information about Rolling Harvest Food Rescue, please visit our website at www.rollingharvest.org. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button on this page. Thanks and bye for now.